Hey y'all, it's your girl Sheena with sheisfab. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheena and she does all the things. If you're an oldie but a goodie, hey girl, hey girl, hey, you know how we do. So today's video is all about this beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, wig from Hairvivi. So thank you Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. So this is the final look. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. It is the perfect length for summer. It is the perfect color for summer. I mean, she is absolutely beautiful. And if you cannot tell, your girl is feeling herself. Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yeah, y'all know I'm getting ready to see Beyonce, child. Listen. If you know, you know. Okay? But anyway, back to the wig. Now, I did just cut a few layers in the front, but I wanted it to have like loose, beachy waves, again, because this is a perfect wig for summer. Let me show you the back. I mean, get into it, okay? Get into it, honey. Listen, they did their thing with this wig. I'm so happy that I picked one of a shorter length, because this is my first real, you know, hair review. I think I did a fantastic job. I think I slayed the hell out of this wig. Now, again, it is my first time, so I'm still trying to figure out a lot of things about the part, about the knots and all of those things. You know, all of the things the other girls are doing here on YouTube. So again, this is a very beginner friendly, okay, because your girl is a beginner, okay? A very beginner friendly wig. Now, you'll never see Sheena Cameron walking around here with baby hairs. It's never gonna happen. So I think I did a good job with my little, you know, my little sides, but I'm still trying to perfect the technique. Again, I think I did a fabulous job. So yeah. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. All of the wig information will be down in the description box. Again, thank you Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. Girl, I need to go to happy hour, okay? Listen, my milkshake brought all the boys to the yard. All right, y'all. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this install. It came in this beautiful box. It came with hair care instructions. This is a card. It's a QR reader where you can follow them on their social media. Again, more hair care instructions on how to care for your wig, which I really do appreciate. It also came with a really nice satin bag. Love the color. Everything was packaged so beautifully, guys. The box actually had a ribbon on it. I wish I had got a few shots of that. But it did come with a baby hair comb, which I don't do baby hairs at all. I'll give that to my daughter, and some wig clips. So yeah, and then it also had a smaller satin bag. So again, thank you Hairvivi, because you guys packaged this wig so nice. Now, here is the beauty. So this is the emery wig. Okay, it is 14 inches in the color 1. My cap size is medium, and the lace is in the color Cappuccino. Okay, I should have got a large cap size, child, because this head is huge. Or my head is huge. It has 3 combs and a really nice wig band. All right, so yeah, the construction of the wig, I would give it a 10 out of a 10. The lace, you guys will see once I put it on and cut the lace, it came out so nice. So I'm just adding my wig band, and then there is the wig. She is so pretty, guys. Now, the wig is pre-plucked. It is a clean bleach frontal, pre-plucked hairline, pre-made fake scalp, and real invisible HD lace. So now I am cutting the lace. I'm not sure. I don't think this was a glueless wig. But once you see that when I cut the lace, the hairline is just so nice, like perfect. So, but I did, as you will see, I did end up gluing the sides down, that like the around the ears, because child, you ain't gonna catch me out here with a wig pushed back from my hairline. Okay, so cutting the lace was very easy. I didn't have any problems. Cutting it was very simple. Again, I watched quite a few videos, okay? Y'all, look at that. Look at it. Okay? Wow, it just blended in beautifully, okay? Beautifully. This is a really, really nice wig. Really, really nice wig. I love the color. I think it really complements my skin. And then again, the length. I mean, I just think it's perfect for the summertime. So here I am. I'm going to get ready to, I'm showing you guys the hairline again because, again, amazing. So yeah, looks like I'm doing some adjusting here, making sure everything looks really, really good. Listen. It looks good. Tell me this wig don't look good, y'all. All right, so here I am, just kind of adding this wax stick to the edges just to make sure that everything is laid really nicely. Now, I don't really think I needed to do this step, but I did. And then just gonna comb it out, and then I'm gonna take the hot comb and then just straighten it out just a little bit more, just to make sure everything was just, you know, laid. Okay, laid. Yeah, it blended in really, really good. Now, I only put glue on the sides and the ear tabs. I didn't put any glue at the front of the wig because I felt like it blended in so nicely. So just taking the hot comb, kind of flatten, giving it, you know, more of a flat appearance at the top. The hump wasn't too big, especially since I was going for more of a swoop or like a layered look. So I didn't really mind the hump. But again, the hump, I mean, I've had, you know, wigs, not as nice as this one for sure, that had a huge hump, and it's no matter whatever you did, you couldn't get that hump out. You know, but yeah, this is a really, really nice wig. So just pulling the ear tabs down, trying to get the perfect, make sure that it's on perfect before I start adding any glue. Child, your girl was sweating. Okay, I was in Shelby's bathroom. It's one of the smaller bathrooms in our house, and your girl, I had to take that kimono off because your girl was sweating. Okay, listen, when you are trying to make it do what it do, honey, it was no air circulating in that little bitty bathroom. So now I'm going to take some of the Eden, this is like a spray, like a lace spray, to lay down around my ears. Now, this was quite challenging for me. I don't think my hair was slicked back enough. I didn't braid it because your girl cannot cornrow. Okay, she cannot. So I did like a slick back, and then I put it in 2 braids, and then I pinned it. So, but yeah, so I'm just adding the lace, trying to lay down my edges, lay down the ear tabs of the wig, and it was giving me trouble. That's why I was saying maybe I should have gotten a larger wig, well, the wig cap in a large, because I don't know if it was me or if it was just kind of tight. I don't know, y'all, but I made it work. Okay, I made it work. And then here I am trying to figure out how I'm gonna do some sideburns, but I was not gonna do baby hairs. Okay, nothing against baby hairs. I have a daughter, she's 24, and she does baby hairs. Okay, I'm twice her age. Sheena ain't doing no baby hairs. It'll never happen. So here I am still fiddling around with the wig, trying to make sure that it looks good. Trying to make it not look like a wig, right? So yeah. I had so much fun doing this wig install though. You know, I look like Sheena, but I don't look like Sheena. It's kind of, who are you today, girl? And that's the beauty of being a black girl, because we can do so many things, so much versatility in our looks, in our styles. So, all right, more of this spray. And I also feel like my edges was just not letting me be great. Okay, the edges. But I think where I went wrong, or what I didn't do, is I didn't let it get tacky enough. So I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. So bear with me. All right, so we got the wig laying. Okay, she laying. I'm going to cut a little bit here, just to like give me a little bit of an edge. Not a baby hair, just some edges. Just some edges. Yeah. And guys, I want to let you know that I do have a $30 off discount. The code is Sheena. Yeah, my name, SHENA. I will put it on the screen. So you do get $30 off. That is the discount code that Hairvivi gave your girl for all of my beautiful sisters out there who might want to invest in a nice wig. I would say go for this wig because she is, it is super pretty. You don't have to get this color. I was just being adventurous. Of course, you can go with something, your color of choice. And again, this is in the color 1. I will have all of this linked in the description box. So, but yeah, I'm still trying to make sure everything is laying good. I will say that on the part where, on the other side of where I'm combing the hair now, that side didn't lay down that good. But, of course, because you can't see it, I just didn't worry about it. But here I am attempting to cut a few layers. I will say the layers came out okay. I will cut more just to give it more of a feathered look. But I was just wanting to go with, just some really, really loose curls. Now, this would be pretty, I think, if you wanted to do some flexi rods and you wanted to have like a really, really nice curly bob for maybe like date night or a night out. But I was just, wanted something to kind of go with, my casual look. Some really nice loose waves. And so I'm going to do a few layers on the other side. And then your girl is going to curl the hair. Now, if you've been here a while, me and curling irons, we don't get along. I'm not the best at curling my hair. That's why I love a good flexi rod. Okay, I love it. Yeah. And this wig also looks like it has a few highlights in it. Really, really love it. I'm struggling, y'all. Okay, be patient with your girl. Struggling. Listen, I learned that little technique from watching YouTube, okay? YouTube will be your best friend, okay? You can find out anything on the tube. All right, now I'm going to lay these edges down, which I probably should have been doing that while I was cutting the hair, but again, I'm learning, okay? I probably would have had these edges laid down had I put that band on right after I put the glue on the lace, but again, give your girl some grace. It's my first wig. All right, going in with the hot comb again. All right, now we're gonna take it off so y'all can see. Woohoo, them edges, child. Y'all see that? And again, I had kind of a white cast, but you couldn't see it because of how I styled the hair. So, but next time I will get that off. And this is the back. Again, the perfect length, and I'm pulling it down because I probably should adjust the wig band, but yeah. Trying to see if my layers that I cut, how they're looking. I probably could have cut a few more layers, but of course I'm gonna roll with what we got. Now we're gonna do a few curls. We're gonna wrap this thing up. Now again, y'all, I'm not that good with the curling iron, but there were a few curls already in the wig. It was already kind of like a loose body wave. So it didn't take much. Didn't take much. And it curls so easily. Y'all see that? Y'all see how pretty the wig curls? And if y'all are wondering, the lip color on my lips is Goddess by She Beauty. Because I know someone's going to ask. And then just my regular everyday makeup. Just adding a few more curls, and then we are going to wrap it up. And again, I want to thank Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love this wig. All right, guys, there she is. All right, so if you are new here and you like my content, I hope you would consider subscribing. If you are an oldie but a goodie girl, you know I love you. I know you guys were waiting on this wig review because I told you about it in a vlog. Here it is. Let me know down in the comments what you think. How did I do? Do you like the wig? And yeah, guys, I will see y'all in the next video. All right, y'all. Bye.